Hello guys and welcome back. So right here we have this weekly case, traveling case for your medication. So this offers for 2 times a day for your morning and your evening pills. Alright, so right here we have this carrying case with your medication pill organizers. So this organizer right here is for 7 days. You could keep your pills in order to help you to manage and track your dosage. Plan your pills for a week in advance instead of opening medication bottles every day so you don't spill them. This is for travel. Make sure the medications are enough for you on the go. It is easier to check how many pills are left from the box. As you can see, it's see-through. It has got a black color, but you can still see through to see how many pills you have in there. They're pretty deep. And the little markings on the front for this one's for the Sunday, have a rub life of at least 10,000 times before they start fading. But I've tried it a few times. There is no way that these markings are going to come off anytime soon. So you can see each one of them have a nice depth to them. You could put several pills in here. They have a large capacity. The cloth bag medicine box has enough space to hold tablets and vitamins. You not need to worry about the capacity. The total size of this is 5.9 inch by 3.3 inch by 1.8 inch. Each compartment size is a 2.5 inch by 1.5 inch by 0.7 inch. So you can see they have all through Sunday through Saturday. Each one of these have their days marked on the front and also on the side. So you have this little mesh bag right here, so if you have insulin or whatever, you can put it in there. This bag is such a cute little bag. It does come in 3 different colors. The colors are, as you can see, this one here is the gray. They offer in black and blue. So each one of these little compartments have the days for your mornings and your evenings. The best thing I like about this set here is they all do lock in place, so you don't have to worry about your medication falling out. And then you get a bag with it, so you could put all your medication inside these little compartments and inside the bag, so they are definitely secured. You don't got to worry about them falling out or it breaking. I would definitely say check this one out. This one's a nice one, especially if you have to take medication every day or your vitamins.